Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with REI Adventures. REI Adventures offers a fantastic selection of guided trips for every kind of adventurer. Whether you're a seasoned trekker, a casual hiker, or simply looking to explore new destinations, their diverse catalog caters to a wide range of interests and abilities. From thrilling mountaineering expeditions in the Himalayas to relaxed cycling tours through Tuscany, REI Adventures has something for everyone. Their website, rei.com/adventures, provides a user-friendly interface to explore these varied opportunities. Navigating the REI Adventures website is straightforward. You can search for trips based on activity, destination, trip length, and even trip style. Whether you're craving a challenging wilderness experience or a luxurious lodge-based adventure, the site allows you to filter your search to find the perfect match. Each trip listing includes detailed itineraries, dates, pricing information, and often includes captivating photos and videos that offer a glimpse into the experience. This level of detail allows you to thoroughly research and compare different adventures before committing to a booking. Beyond simply providing trip information, REI Adventures offers a wealth of resources to help you prepare for your chosen adventure. You'll find packing lists, gear recommendations, and even training advice to ensure you're adequately equipped and physically prepared for the challenges ahead. This commitment to preparation underscores REI's dedication to providing a safe and enjoyable experience for all participants. Furthermore, traveling with REI Adventures offers the peace of mind that comes with expert guidance and logistical support. Their experienced guides are knowledgeable about the local culture, flora, and fauna, enriching your travel experience. They also handle all the logistics, from accommodations and transportation to permits and meals, allowing you to focus on immersing yourself in the adventure. By choosing REI Adventures, you're not just booking a trip, you're investing in a curated experience. Their commitment to sustainable travel practices also ensures that your adventure benefits the local communities and environments you visit. So, if you're ready to embark on an unforgettable journey, head over to rei.com/adventures and start exploring the possibilities.